Konnichiwa. Ever feel like your Japanese conversation hit a wall after konnichiwa and arigatou gozaimasu? So you were not alone. Many N5 learners struggle to move beyond basic greetings. In this video, we will unlock the essential vocabulary you need to navigate everyday scenarios, giving you the confidence to chat about more than just the weather. Hey, are you new here? Subscribe the channel so you don't miss more simple and useful Japanese lesson from Yuki Blooming. If you don't know me, it's me Yasin and welcome to the Yuki Blooming. So let's practice today's N5 vocab lesson 14. Tsukemasu, turn on. Denki o tsukemasu, I turn on the light. Keshimasu, turn off. Aircon o keshimasu, I turn off the AC. Akemasu, open. Mado o akemasu, I open the window. Shimimasu, close. Doa o shimimasu, I close the door. Isogimasu, hurry. Isoide kudasai, please hurry. Machimasu, wait. Koko de machimasu, I will wait here. Mochimasu, hold. Kaban o mochimasu, I hold the bag. Torimasu, take or pass. Shiu o totte kudasai, please pass the salt. Tetsudaimasu, help. Tetsudaimashou ka? Shall I help you? Yobimasu, call. Takushi wo yobimasu, I will call a taxi. Hanashimasu, speak, talk. Nihongo hanashimasu, I speak Japanese. Tsukaimasu, use. Pasakon o tsukaimasu, I use a computer. Tomimasu, stop, park. Koko ni kuruma o tomemasu, I park the car here. Misemasu, show. Passport o misemasu, I show my passport. Oshiemasu, tell or teach. Jusho o oshiemasu, I tell the address. Suwarimasu, sit. Koko ni suwarimasu, I sit here. Tachimasu, stand. Sugu tachimasu, I will stand up now. Hairimasu, enter. Kisaten ni hairimasu, I enter the cafe. They must go out. 喫茶店を出ます。I leave cafe. 降ります。rain. 雨が降ります。It rains. コピーします。copy. 資料をコピーします。I will copy the documents. 電気 electricity. 電気がありません。Can you guess the meaning? Comment below. 名前 name. 名前を書いてください。Comment your name, please. 住所 address. 住所を知っていますか？ Comment the meaning. 地図 map. 地図を見ます。Comment the meaning. 塩 salt. 塩をください。砂糖 sugar. 砂糖を入れます。Uh-oh. Meaning. Comment below. 問題 question. 今日の問題、皆さんは解けましたか？答え answer. あなたの答えをコメントに書いてね。読み方 how to read. みんな読み方わかった？まっすぐ straight. みんな今日はどこへまっすぐ行くの？ゆっくり slowly. みんなはゆっくり過ごす日が好き？すぐ immediately. コメントをすぐ返しますね。あなたもコメントをしてくれる？後で later. 後でコメントを読みますね。もう少し a little more. もう少しで終わります。また again. また次のレッスンで会いましょうね。See you in the next lesson. If you like this learning, make sure to like, share and subscribe.